everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your login password on CoinEx. To change your login password on CoinEx, first of all, launch open CoinEx app or go to coinex.com on your web browser. Log into your account if necessary, and once you're inside, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Right after you open it up, go ahead and tap on the security option. Under security, go to login password option under login management and tap on it. You will now need to verify your email address first before you change your password. Type in the email verification code sent to your email, open up an email from CoinEx, copy the code that you received, get back to CoinEx app and paste it down in the text box. Right after you do that, you will then get to change your password to a new one. Enter a new password in the first tab, including the criteria underneath. Go ahead and enter the password once again to confirm, and finally, after filling in with your new password, click on the confirm button at the bottom, and that way you should be able to change your password for your CoinEx account. Right after doing so, your CoinEx login password should now be updated. Make sure to store your new password securely and avoid reusing old passwords to keep your account safe. So there you have it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.